will teach you how to make money online. As a matter of fact, in this video, I'm going to be showing you 8 different ways to make money online. For those of you see me for the first time, you may be wondering, why should I listen to Gerald? Well, let me tell you guys exactly why I am qualified to be the person teaching you guys exactly how to make money online. I started selling services on Fiverr in 2016, and as at the end of 2019, I have grossed over $100,000 on Fiverr selling gigs as a freelancer. I left Fiverr late 2019 and started affiliate marketing. As at 2020 during the lockdown, in less than a year as an affiliate marketer, I got to the point where I was making $3,000 every single day on ClickBank as an affiliate. Do you still have doubts? I actually have a lot more receipts. I own a couple YouTube channels, and this one right here is actually the biggest YouTube channel when it comes to the making money online niche in Africa. Just in case you're wondering, how much does YouTube pay? Right now on my screen is a screenshot of one single video, and you can see for yourself exactly how much that video made. And mind you guys, on this channel I have over 500 videos right now, so that begins to give you an idea. And it's not just me. If you go on YouTube, I have students who have actually taught what I've done, and they have replicated the same result. And on your screen right now you can see Online Mass TV. You can also see Daily Auto Hustle. These are students that have actually tutored, and they started from ground zero, and today they are successful YouTubers. In the past 2 months, I've been traveling around Europe on vacation, and I live right here in Nigeria, which is considered a third world country and has the highest number of poor people in the world. Now the question you might have is, how did Gerald do it? Now that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you guys in today's video. So if you have achieved better results, you've been around the world, you've made $3,000 a day, you've gotten there, then this video is not for you.
Not for you!
Right? So you can just click away and just go do whatever it is that you're doing. And I sincerely do apologize for wasting your time.
I really do.
But if you genuinely want to learn exactly what I did and how I did it, now this video is specifically meant for you. So it's important that you stick around from beginning to the very end, as I'm going to be leaving no stone unturned. Now again, for those of you who are seeing me for the first time, you are new to this channel, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop one amazing video just like what you're about to watch right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. So that's it guys, let's jump right in and let me show you guys 8 different ways to actually do make money online. And the interesting thing is that this method actually does work everywhere in the world, so it doesn't matter what your physical location is. And if at any point you're getting value from this video, just go in the comment section and say thank you Gerald for this video on how to make money online. I would like that comment, I might reply to it, and most importantly, I'm going to be appreciating that comment guys. Number 1 on my list is something called freelancing. Now this is where you actually create a gig on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and sell services. Now the problem is a lot of persons do not know the services to sell, and I'm going to be explaining some of them that you can actually do without any skill in today's video. So it's important again that you stay with me. Now one of the first things that I actually made a lot of money with on Fiverr when I was doing freelancing between 2016 and 2019 was something called spokesperson videos. As a matter of fact, that's one of the things that actually prepared me for YouTube, because when I migrated from Fiverr to YouTube, it was very easy for me because I was already making videos on Fiverr. So what is spokesperson videos? Spokesperson videos is actually a business model where probably the manufacturer of this lens contacts you and gives you a script to make a promotional video talking about his product, which is this lens right now. So what you need to do is to just go in front of a camera and say that this lens is actually the best, you bought it and you loved it. And sometimes they actually ship this product to you. It doesn't matter where you are, they ship it to you. You actually use the product and actually make a video, and of course they pay you to do that, basically, right? So that's one of the things that I actually did actively. I sold a lot of these services, like thousands of it, and most of these guys are people from first world countries like the US, UK. They pay you to make these videos so they can use it to promote their product, and this is something that is still very active today. And as a beginner, you even have more opportunity, and here's why. These companies are looking for new faces to create content for them. Now some of the guys that have thousands of reviews on Fiverr, their faces are saturated because they have created content over and over and over again. That is why you that is a beginner actually have like an advantage as opposed to those guys that have been there before. So one of the things that I did was to go on Fiverr, set up an account, and of course create a gig as a spokesperson, and I sold that service over and over and over again, and that made me a lot of money. But that's not the only thing they can actually do on Fiverr. If you are skilled, you might be able to sell your skills like video editing, graphic design, content writing, virtual assistant, stuff like that actually do work on Fiverr. They pay a lot of money to get people to actually do these things for them. So that is something that you might want to explore. If you are interested in me making a more elaborate video showing you how to set up an account on Fiverr, how to create a gig, and how to actually market your gig, let me know in the comment section, and I will not hesitate to actually make that video for you guys. Number 2 on our list is something called affiliate marketing. Now some of you guys might actually know this, but I am Africa's #1 affiliate marketer, which means that basically I'm the biggest affiliate marketer in the whole of Africa. So So I'm qualified to teach you about affiliate marketing. Now, when I started affiliate marketing, I think I like to call myself an accidental affiliate marketer, because I actually started affiliate marketing without knowing that there's a business model called affiliate marketing. Now, let me explain affiliate marketing the way that you will understand. Affiliate marketing is basically making sales for commission. Right? So you sell a piece of real estate and you get a commission for it. You sell a piece of whatever. Your friend gives you this watch to sell, and he tells you that if you sell it for any amount that you sell it for, it's going to give you 10% or 20% of the sale amount. That is affiliate marketing. So that commission, that 10%, is what we call affiliate commissions. But right now it is not physical, we do it online. How I started affiliate marketing was that I was teaching people Fiverr. Of course, I was doing Fiverr and teaching my friends how to do Fiverr. So I would get them to sign up on Payoneer, which is what we used to collect payments from Fiverr, back in the day. So they will set up an account, but I will give them my referral link for Payoneer. So they will use it and sign up for an account on Payoneer, and Payoneer will pay me, I think it was $25 for each person that actually do refer on their platform. So I made a lot of money from that. That is affiliate marketing, literally. But I didn't even know that there was a business model called affiliate marketing while I was doing it. I just saw an opportunity and I took an advantage of it, right? And the funny thing is that right now I've actually replicated this on a close to like 500 products that I'm actually promoting actively. And some of these things are softwares, flight bookings platforms, a lot of those things. And sometimes I actually use blog posts and other methods to actually promote this product. One of my biggest challenges in affiliate marketing is that most of these platforms are actually foreign platforms, and at some point what they were doing was to delete my account because I was making so much money and I live right here in Nigeria. So I had to start using my friends outside the country, which is exactly why we built market22.co, which is the biggest affiliate marketing platform in the whole of Africa. It's going to be launching in a few days time, and if you want to try it out, let me know in the comment section. As we are hurrying things up, by the second week of August it should be good to go, right? So if you are interested, let me type market22 in the comment section, and of course I will talk to my developers to hurry things up a bit. So once the platform is actually out, I'll be making live videos showing you guys exactly how to put products, how to promote products, how to make money, and how to enjoy your earnings in your local bank account anywhere in the world. That's exactly the platform that we are building. If you are excited, let me know in the comment section, and of course we are going to be hurrying things up. Now, number 3 on our list is blogging. I've actually made a couple of videos about blogging, and together with my brother Daniel Sozo, we created the $1 blogging course to help you guys do that. So we're going to be reviewing that course, and we're going to be putting it back on Market22 as soon as we launch Market22 2.0, which is going to be launching around the second week of August. Blogging is basically what Ryan Robb and Save the Student, all those blogs actually do. I own a couple of blogs myself. So it's basically you writing an article, getting search engines to rank that article. So people who are searching for things that you've written about will find your article, read your article, and engage with it. Now you can make money from AdSense, which is ads on your blog. You can also make money from affiliate marketing or brand sponsorships. Now these are things that I've actually explained inside of that blogging course. So of course, if you're interested, let me know in the comment section, and of course we'll hurry Market22 up and put it back up on market22.co. That's the 2.0 version, right? And that's the number 3. Number 4 on our list is becoming a travel legend, right? It might seem like a big deal, but it's not. Now mind you guys, I actually know everything about traveling. I have been to like 12 or 13 countries right now. One thing I always tell people is the fact that I have never gotten a travel agent to apply for my visas myself. Right, I always do it myself, do my flight bookings myself, so I know exactly how this thing works. And this is a multi-million-dollar industry, because a lot of persons will pay thousands of dollars to travel agents to do their visa for them, and also book their flights for them, and hotels and all of those things. Now these things are easy, right? And I want to teach you guys exactly how to do it, because I've done it myself. So what I plan to do is to create a course called the No Visa Agent Guide. I've been to India, I've been to the UK a couple of times, I've been to Germany, I've been to Sweden, I've been to France, I've been Kenya, I've been to South Africa, I've been to more than 10 countries as a matter of fact, right? And I did all these visas myself. It is very easy, very simple and seamless, and if you're interested, just write the No Visa Agent Guide in the comment section, and I will create a course where I'm going to be guiding you guys step by step how to apply for visas for all of these countries, the documents that you need, how to book your hotel, how to book your flight without having to pay for the flight, and all of those. Let me know in the comment section. And this is something that you can actually do, and you start doing it for people, and you start making money, and these people will pay you thousands of dollars to actually get these things done for them. It is actually very easy and very simple. So before we move to number 5, if you're getting any value from this video, I want to go to the comment section and say thank you, Gerald, for this info on how to make money online. And if you've not done that already, I want to encourage you guys to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button, so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you're watching right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly, guys. Now this brings us to number 5. Now number 5 is becoming a real estate agent or consultant, basically. Now when I was in the university, I actually made money as a real estate agent. So what I did was that I went to a website called Nigerian Property Center. It's actually still in existence today. It was new then. I think you pay money now to promote stuff. Then it was completely free. So I went there. A man that I built a website for had land in Calabar for sale. So I took the land and put it right there for 40 million. Somebody called me, paid the man for the land, and a commission was given to me. Actually made a couple of millions in that trade as a final year student in the university. And the interesting thing is that those websites are still in existence. As a matter of fact, there are more websites like that today. So you can go to websites like gg.com, NPC, that's Nigerian Property Center. You can go to privateproperties.com or just Google website to sell real estate in your country, right? And you're going to be seeing a list of websites. Now go and find these properties, right? Go to the person building a house down the road, ask him if he wants to sell it. Tell him that you can actually help him sell it. Take pictures, put it online, and of course, just a buyer, take the buyer to the owner of the property, and you get a commission at the end of the day. It is that simple, right? And you can do this thing online because you're going to be using online website to actually market this product. Put your number right there. People are going to call you and are going to be buying those products. So the 6th item on our list actually related to what I just explained right now. You can sell items on websites like gg.com. I've actually got a couple of things. As a matter of fact, this lens right here is a kit lens that came with my camera and it's for sale. So what I did today was I actually took a picture of this, went to Gigi and actually put it right there. And if somebody calls me to actually buy this, I will sell it to the person. I have also hired printers for my office from gg.com. If you happen to have a skill, you can actually put it out there on gg.com. Somebody will find you, give you a call and get you to actually fulfill that order. So literally you are making money online. Easy. Now, one of the things that I did for my student of mine, that's the guy that owns Daily Auto Hustle, was that I actually told him to start making videos on cars for sale in Ibadan, which is where he lives. And today, if you go on YouTube right now and search for cars for sale in Ibadan, his videos are number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Like, he understands the ranking thing that I actually taught him. So he started a YouTube channel and he's making money both from ad revenue and selling cars on YouTube. That's what he's doing. This brings us to number 8, which is starting a YouTube channel. I actually have a couple of YouTube channels. I actually do YouTube trainings, and I'm thinking of creating the YouTube Money Secret course where I teach you guys exactly what I've taught these students in my Zoom trainings. So it's going to be very, very comprehensive. I teach you that, and also have call sessions with you where I can ask you questions in real time and I will answer all of your questions. Now, if this is something you're interested in, let me know in the comment section, of course, and I'm going to hurry it up. So I'm working on the No Agent Visa Guide. I'm also working on the YouTube Money Secret course. That's if you guys are interested, let me know in the comment section and I will not hesitate to actually work on this. Last but not the least on our list is Amazon KDP. Now, if you go to a website like Designer, which is the first link in my video description, you can actually create ebooks easily. Just give it a topic and it's going to create an ebook for you. And you can take that ebook and put it on Amazon KDP. As a matter of fact, this video right here is going to show you guys exactly how to set up an account on Amazon KDP and upload your book on Amazon KDP so you can actually start selling it and make a lot of money on Amazon KDP. Now click on this link to actually watch that video on how to actually set up an account step by step and upload your book on Amazon KDP, or click on the first link in my video description and go to Designer, which is a website that will actually help you create ebooks from start to finish by just you telling it exactly what you want your ebook to be about. It will create an original and unique ebook for you in a matter of minutes. I can go ahead and sell this on Amazon KDP. So these are some of the ways to actually make money online. If you happen to have any question, let me know in the comment section, as I'm not going to be hesitating to answer all of your questions, guys. Now before we leave, if you've not done that already, I want to encourage you again to smash the like button on this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification button so that when I drop more amazing videos just like what you just watched right now, YouTube is going to send you a notification instantly. And if you know a friend of yours who you think this video will actually benefit them, give them a gift. Click on the share button, copy the link to this video and send it to them, or put it on your WhatsApp status or wherever, right? Share it to your audience, your groups on WhatsApp, your groups on Facebook, your Facebook page, anywhere, right? So that you can actually help your friends to stop asking you for urgent 2K, guys. So I want to say thank you again for watching the video from beginning to the very end. Until I see my next video, guys, keep winning and don't forget that Gerald does love you guys. Bye from here, guys.